secret frying oil plant. Oh, Pipit, I think we're on the right track. Look at this place. There are giant open pools of frying oil. I don't think they're abiding by any safety code. I'll do anything for a bag of fries right now. Pipit, focus. We still need to track Don down. Then we can go for Don M's Mega Burger. Only after the Mega Battery is retrieved. Get to it, Pipit. Okay. That Mega Battery was a real game changer, don't you think? Yeah, everyone's been zipping around fulfilling orders. This place never looks so lively. Though these 36-hour shifts are starting to hit me hard. Heck, wake up. What's the old temperature levels? I yell for order 481. 2 Don M's Mega Burgers and a large bag of fries. Burger. I can take the burger with me. Okay, so... Hold on a second. This burger is coming to the safe house. I shall name you Larry. You are my new pet. See you soon, Larry. You really think I can't see you running around, wrecking all sorts of havoc? He's in Sector B1A. Don't let him escape. Go. Take care of this one first. There we go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, now over here. This. Damn it. Go. And now let's go over here. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Might as well take this with me just in case I need it. Oh, hello there. Who are you? The boss really knocked it out of the park this time, right? With such high demand for our products, we're sure to get incredible raises. Jesus, you dare say the R-word on duty? The boss would just keep all the extra cash for himself. The boss would keep all the extra cash just for himself, would he? Fools. Not much better than you, I'd say, given what the intro has told us about you. The company you run. Okay, so I think I can just go ahead and... Oh. Nope. Did not mean to go into the pit. Oh. Here we go. Now what's over here? Ooh. Okay, so... There we go. Now I should just be able to go ahead and... There we go. Ah, even more? Okay, so... I want to go there. Wait. Then here. Ooh, I'm on one life. Okay, so I need to go there, then to over there, then bounce to there, get to there. And then... I don't know where to go from there, but I guess let's just do it. Yes, a rose. I don't have a battery. I should have taken one of the poles with me. Oh no, not one of you. Right, forgot. Ah, dang it. two of them? Kidding me? No, let's just ignore him and go straight for the battery. Okay, so don't go for that one, go for this one. And go here. Damn. And here. 3 lines. Ooh, okay. So I think I want to bounce there and there. Damn it. I don't think I can smuggle this battery with me either. Okay, so I think I want to... There, to there, to there, yeah. I guess that one at the bottom doesn't deactivate that. Wait, don't I need another battery now though? Now I can just go ahead and do that. Wait for that to regenerate and go. Need a battery. Is there a way I could get that one instead? Nope, guess not. Okay. Can't I just... Oh, I have to do it. Ooh, okay, I see the problem now. Huh. It's kind of tricky. So the problem is those things. Or not. Okay, so the problem is the wall. Because it'll land at the wall. Wait a second. This is incredibly simple. What am I talking? Yo-yo? Really? You did fine last time. There you go, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so now I should just be able to go ahead and... Here we go. How do I get... Oh, wait. Way back to the safe house? Ooh, I won't be able to get back up. Oh, let's go. Oh, there's a security camera. That means it's fight time. Can I break the camera? Damn it, I can't. Look at that little twerp strolling around all smugly. I'm gonna get him good this time. Watch this. You know I can hear you, right? Billy, you left the mic on again! Don't you try to smart mouth me. Didn't your late auntie teach you any manners? Anyway, you just stepped right into my trap. Say hello to my industrial strength meat grinder. We'll be adding a limited run of bat buckets to tomorrow's menu. Yeah. Oh no, I am so terrified. Oh no, I am so scared. Oh no. Wait, what? Why do you have these meat grinders here? Didn't those kids earlier say you had some of those in the trash can that they were using? Oh no, I am terrified. Oh no! Whatever shall I do? Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Well, that's a little bit tricky, I guess. Okay, so the meat grinders aren't the actual problem, it's accidentally falling in and resetting it. Wasn't too bad. Ha 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 ha, you didn't get me, ha 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 ha. I know you can see me. Ha 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 ha. Oh, save, that ain't too good. That means something's gonna happen, probably. There are a ton of security cameras. It's the Mega Battery! Does that mean it's finally time? Wait. Hold on, is it possible for me to hit the Mega Battery early? Ah, it isn't. Okay, but how am I supposed to get through here? There we go. Oh! What's over here? Oh, this brings me back to the start. Okay. It's probably for when I actually beat the boss. Oh! It's finally time to beat the first boss! Like, a while in. You know what? French fries for good luck. Here we go! So, I see nothing's able to stop you, huh? You managed to invade my hideout and now you found me. Failed mall owner and junk food overlord. Don Mattei. I still don't know how to pronounce this guy's name. The Pipistrellos. You're all such a bunch of hard-to-kill pests, aren't you? Hey, what's your beef with my family? When that lunatic old bag was still in charge, he kept my beloved Plaza road front on the brink of bankruptcy. Okay, that actually sounds really bad of her to do. Y'all was squeezing every penny out of us with that obnoxious energy tariff. On top of that, the customers weren't buying as much, the stores were closing down, my bills were stacking up. Okay, but are we sure we're the good guy in this story? Because it sounds like she actually was pretty bad. Like, that sounds really hard and just not good. Then it hit me. I didn't need to provide best service, I just need a fresh, new addictive thing that would get the whole city hooked in. I'm glad to declare that the Mega Battery has been a tremendous help in my new endeavor. The amount of energy provides enough to heat, fry, and oil to the amount of energy provides enough to heat, fry, and oil to never before seen degrees. This ultra-hot oil is able to instill the most irresistible addictive flavors onto my food. I've already gotten the whole neighborhood craving my products, and soon I'll be unstoppable. I have this whole country out of my hands. But you Pipistrellos, you don't share my vision, do you? I'm afraid I'll have to deal with you now. No more of this little cat and mouse game. Prepare yourself, or I'll turn you into a chicken nugget with my bare hands. Oh, you have a gun. You don't seem to be very good at using it, though. I don't go down so easily. No, my French fries! It's parry time! Okay, let's try and stall you until I get my yo-yo back. I'm about to die! Okay, I need more heals. Come on, give me some healing, please. I swear I hit the parry attack. Ah, whatever. Here we go. I'm turning you into sauce. Ooh. I think I left the parry attack. Parry attack? Parry the platypus. I know someone who's going to be very happy with that reference. Okay, I almost got him. We did it! Yeah! Oh! No, the world will never know my deep delicacies. Next time you should just pay your bills, you annoying rat. What? She's still. I'll haunt you to the day you pay up every last cent you owe me. They're like a plague, a truly undefeated plague. There's the battery. Pippet, let's retrieve the mega battery now. I don't know if I want to. You don't seem like a very good person. Wait, can I? Am I stealing this guy's money? I'm just stealing all his money? Now you'll never pay your bills! Now. Okay, this is probably gonna look pretty cool. Ooh, yeah, that looked cool. We got it! The first mega battery! You recovered a mega battery! Fantastic job, Pippet. I'll be forever indebted to you, metaphorically speaking. Let's return to the safe house and find a safe spot to store it. Let's go. Ooh. I guess this is where we store the mega battery. Let's go, Pippet. We've managed to recover the first mega battery. This should be a safe spot to keep them. Nobody outside the family knows about our safe house. Once we get to the other 3 mega batteries, we'll find a way to fix this entire mess. You know, maybe none of this would happen if you hadn't backed down into a corner. You won't barely be able to pay your exorbitant energy prices. Pfft, that's Don Mateo we're talking about, Pippet, and this is business. Pippet's making a good point. Have you ever heard of a mall owner who can't afford the bills? He rents all that space to the stores, for crying out loud. He never really... He was talking about those tariffs you were making. Those don't sound too good. Plus, we provide a service for the city. Blast it, we made this city into what it is today. Okay, I no longer want to collect these mega batteries. But also, I do want you on my yo-yo, though, so maybe I'll do it just to get you on my yo-yo, and then I'll, like, let the other guys kill you or something. If he actually wanted to keep his business afloat, he should have planned for to win out to charity. And each second I stay in this incorporeal form is costing me thousands of dollars. Let's go to moving, Pippet. It's your allowance on the line, after all. You make a kind of good point. But also, Pippet, come on! Just like get rid of the yo-yo or something. You're saving millions of people thousands of dollars. And all that happens is you, like, lose some money. Come on, Pippet. Wait. They're letting me pick up the Mega Battery? Can I? Why are they letting me pick this up? Can I just, like, steal it? What happens if I just, you know, hello, Paul, and Paul 2, and whatever your name was? Can I just, like, wait, what? They actually let me take the Mega Battery with me? What happens if I just, like, oh, did they not let me do that? Darn it, they don't let me. Wait. Bye-bye, Mega Battery! Wait. Wait, what? It respawned back at the safe house, right? Right? It respawned back. Okay. You two, you gotta move. You can go down here for now. And you can go here. Okay, yeah, it respawned back to the safe house. Phew.